Do you like Amazon products? Are you an Amazon seller, or you have a blog where you sell Amazon products as an affiliate? Or maybe you have a following of people who take advice from you on Amazon products or how to build a business on Amazon. Maybe it's FBA or something like that. Well, if you do, then you're going to like this video, because I'm going to show you how you can make an extra $2,000 per week as helping other people in their Amazon FBA businesses make more money in their businesses. All right, so if you like this type of video, sounds good to you, and you like Amazon stuff, then you want to stick around, because I'm going to show you in this video how you can increase your earnings through Amazon affiliates. All right, so and first of all, let's go ahead and get started on this, but I want to talk to the people that are new to my video here real quick, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you're new, well, anytime during this video when you feel like it, just reach down there below, click that subscribe button, and click the notification bell there as well, and so that you get notified. Okay, all right, guys, well, let's go ahead. Also, anytime during the video, if you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. If you wouldn't, just smash that like button. Get started here now. We'll go ahead and get started on this. So the site that we're going to come over here to is this site right here. It's called Salex, and you can see it right here. Salex, if you look up here in the address bar, guys, it's SELLICS.com. This site right here is a site where people can come that have any kind of a business with Amazon, any kind of an affiliate business or an FBA business or drop shipping business or anything like that with Amazon, and they can come here and use the tools on this site to exponentially grow their Amazon business to new heights for themselves. And they even have a 7-day free trial here. So if you're an Amazon affiliate or any kind of like into FBA, you can also use the products on this site as well. But today I'm going to show you how you can become an affiliate for this site and help sell other people, other FBA business owners with Amazon onto this site and earn yourself about an extra $2,000 per week's possibility here. All right, so like we said, this is a Amazon advertising complex here, and we're to change that, they say, and they can smart campaigns. They'll teach you how to advertise, teach people how to advertise better on paid ads, and it's accelerate your pay-per-click with robust organic foundation here, it says. And they even have guidance from expert PPC advisors on this site as well. So what this site is like I told you, is people can come here, exponentially grow their business with the tools on this site, make their business even better and make more money for their business. So now, how can we make money with this? So what you want to do is you come here, is you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom here, and you want to come over here under the About Us column that you see right here where my mouse is, guys, and come down here where it says affiliates right here, and you want to click on affiliate link here, and that brings you over here to this site here, and it says here, join the fastest growing affiliate program in the industry and partner up with Salex and get paid for giving your audience the tools and insights they need to succeed in their Amazon business. All right, and if we come down here, it talks a little bit about it, guys. It says, why become a Salex affiliate? It says, Salex is a leading Amazon all-in-one software solution that helps sellers and brands on Amazon to grow their business on Amazon, PPC, and beyond. It says right here, you have unlimited earnings. It's $2,000 per week possibility, guys. You see right here, your success is our success, so there are no limits. So that tells me you could even make more than $2,000 per week. Alrighty? And here's something that's really interesting here. It says commission for every free report that you give away. And it says, yes, that's right, a commission for a free report. And that's unheard of. So in other words, this is a really interesting way to make money right here, just giving away a free report to people, and it probably would direct them back here with your affiliate link, direct them back here to this site. If they sign up, then you're going to get paid. And if we click right here on pricing, you can see the pricing of the site here for people that want to do this. They do have a free one here. Just go to get started with and check it out with, and they have the advertising advisor. That's starting at $259 per month, and then managed services up to $1,249 per month package there as well. So As you can see, the potential to make some good money here, particularly with people that already have businesses and have the money in their hand to spend already. They could use this site to increase their business even more. All right, and then here they have special deals here that you can offer, get personalized codes and deals for your audience, and then get paid immediately. Now, guys, if you look right here, it says your payout will be processed immediately after it is reviewed in money to your PayPal account. So you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. All right, and if you don't, it's free to sign up and get one. Just go to paypal.com and sign up for free. Well, you can sign up for personal or business account. It's free either way. And then just want to make sure that you have a PayPal account so that you can get your money every week for your sales that you have through this. All right. And it talks about this, the Salex bench marker here, which you can check. It's like in your back office, you'll be able to check your sales and so on and so forth with this. And then it says get started in 4 steps. You just register and have an application reviewed. They'll do a qualification call with you, and then you have to be welcomed into the Salex family here. So it's just a matter of getting started here, and they have some frequently asked questions and stuff. You guys can check that out, but you just want to click on apply now right here. And that brings you over here, and you just want to fill this application out right here. Put your first name, last name, and if you have a company name, you can put that in there. And your phone number and email and street address and so on and so forth down here, and then select which best applies for you. Are you an Amazon seller, a YouTuber, e-commerce guru, site owner? Remember I asked you in the beginning if you were a blogger and you had a blog that sells Amazon products as an affiliate, then that's qualify you there. And a social media influencer, consultant, course owner, online marketer, and speaker. There's a lot. You can just check the ones that apply here, and then how many followers and subscribers do you have, and then so on and so forth down here. Check this box here, I agree to the terms of service, and then click the submit button. And then once they review it, and they'll probably give you a call on the phone, and then once you get accepted into the family here of Salex, they'll give you a login information, and you'll have all of your tools and everything you need in your back office to market this particular product. Well, I'm going to show you, and I'm sure they'll have all kinds of ways, and now because they have an advisors group here, they'll show you even how to market their products. But I'm going to go ahead and show you one way that you could get started with pretty quick right today. And that is, you can come over here to Facebook.com, and you'll notice that I'm logged into my account here, guys, and I clicked on groups right here, and I just came over here on the left. You see where my mouse is right here, guys. And I simply typed in Amazon sellers right here. Now you can put in Amazon FBA. You can, any kind of keyword that you can think of that relates with Amazon, you can type that in there and find all kinds of groups, such as what you see right here, Amazon sellers, and they all, like this is over 103,000 people, 63,000 members here on Amazon sellers group here. FBA sellers, there's 73,000. Guys, there's a lot of traffic here. What you want to do is you want to join these particular groups, and then you want to get to know some people in the groups, and then use your tools that you'll have in your affiliate back office. You'll have probably some scripts in there that you can use, maybe some email scripts or swipes that you could use, and put them into the group here. And you want to, but you don't want to spam. Be careful not to spam. You want to get to know some people in there for a little bit, and then you can offer your product. Or definitely, you can certainly just talk to them and put your affiliate link to Salex right at the bottom of your conversation. And out of curiosity, people will see that affiliate link and click on it and come right over and possibly purchase right here on this site. And in that case, you're going to make money with every purchase that they purchase with. Because this site is really good for an Amazon business person, and they can use the tools here to exponentially grow their business as well. Well, guys, that's the video I had for you today. I wanted to show you how you can be an affiliate for this site here and direct people over here that are already businesses with Amazon, and they can exponentially grow theirs with the tools and the services on this site, and you can make some pretty good money even yourself just doing that. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, if you like this little quick video here on how to grow your own business as well as helping other business owners in Amazon make money, Reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you got some value out of this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell as well. And if you have any comments or questions about this particular video, just leave them down there in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, where you can also make thousands of dollars per day possibility, well, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch a free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, making thousands per day possibilities, just like what you see right here, a couple thousand per week here. What I'm showing you will show you how to do it in 1 day's time possibility. Alrighty, well, guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next money making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.